Kaduna and Gombe State's governorship appeals are up for hearing at the Supreme Court. Interested party members from both states are here to witness the proceedings. Senior lawyers are not left out as they converse in the not-so-filled courtroom, patiently waiting for the commencement of the hearings. The first case to be heard is the Kaduna governorship appeal. The People's Democratic Party and its governorship candidate, Mr. Ashiru Issa, are challenging the outcome of the governorship election held in the state in March last year. They allege that Governor Uba was not duly elected by a majority of valid votes cast in the election, and the election was invalid because of corrupt practices and non-compliance with provisions of the Electoral Act 2022. Counsel to Governor Ubasani, Mr. Bayo Ojo, asked the Apex Court to dismiss the appeal for lacking in merit. He says the totality of the case of the PDP and its governorship candidates did not establish any of the allegations. The senior lawyer argued that most of the appellant's witness statements were invalid because they were not filed alongside the petition. Thereafter, he asked that the appeal be dismissed and judgments of the lower courts, which had earlier upheld the election of his client, be upheld. After adopting their argument, Justice Kudirat Kekere-Ekun, who led the 5-member panel, reserved judgment in the suit.
We're just here today to present our arguments. We've done so, and it's up to the court.
We have presented enough facts and the law to warrant a reconsideration and a reversal of the decision of the appellate court. And we believe that hopefully we'll have a favorable outcome and a good day.
Back in the courtroom, the panel dismissed the appeal filed by the candidate of the African Democratic Congress, Mr. Nafiu Bala, against the election of Governor Muhammad of Gombe State. At the hearing, the panel queried the counsel to the ADC, Mr. Herbert Nwoye, on the incompetence of his client's case. Mr. Nwoye subsequently applied to withdraw the appeal after taking the hint from the court, a move which was not opposed by the respondent and was accordingly dismissed.
They asked the number of votes my client had at the trial, at the elections, and we stated that. They asked some other questions and we answered, without prejudice to the fact that that's actually not the grounds for bringing the petition, but because of the policy nature of this court, we're all bound to observe and respect that policy.
The Apex Court also fixed Friday for judgment in another appeal filed by Mr. Jibrin Bade of the PDP, Gombe State. The Supreme Court is expected to deliver judgments in more petitions on Friday, January 19. Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.